In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Webflow'S staging environment. Whether you're new to Webflow or just need a quick refresher, these steps will guide you through previewing your website changes before you make them live. This is incredibly useful for ensuring everything looks just right, without any unexpected surprises for your visitors. First, you'll want to navigate to the Webflow website. Webflow offers a visual way to create custom websites without having to dive deep into coding. Simply open your browser and head to Webflow's homepage. You'll see the option to log in at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this to enter your credentials and access your account. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the Webflow dashboard. The dashboard is your main hub, where you can see all of your projects listed. It's the central command center where everything starts. Now, you want to find the project you'd like to work on using the staging environment. Click on the project to open it. This gives you access to the project settings and the editor, where you can make all the desired changes and edits. With your project open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a button labeled Publish. Clicking on Publish opens up a new menu. In this menu, you'll notice an option labeled Staging. This is where you can test your changes before going live. Staging is essentially a sandbox environment that replicates your live site, allowing you to make edits and see how they would look and function without affecting the live site. Next, you'll need to select your Webflow.io staging domain. This staging domain is automatically created when you start a new project on Webflow, and it's a great tool for viewing live changes without switching over to the main URL. Simply check the box next to the Webflow.io option to select it. Finally, click on the Publish to Selected Domains button. By doing this, you'll publish your changes to the staging domain, not the live site. This gives you the opportunity to thoroughly review your edits, ensuring everything is just the way you want it before sharing it with the world. It's a perfect way to catch any imperfections or adjustments you might want to make. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Webflow's staging environment. It's a straightforward process that helps you ensure your final product is polished and ready for launch. With these steps, you can confidently test changes without worrying about impacting your live site. Happy building, and don't forget to review your work closely before making your website live.